Dear students, welcome to MSBTE online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in an attractive digital format. Myself, Professor Sagar Eknath Shinde, lecturer, Civil Engineering Department, Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, Nasik. So students, today we are going to study a very interesting module of building construction, that is construction of substructure, which includes topic like concept of dewatering and its method. So let us begin. The learning objectives are to study the concept of dewatering, to suggest the relevant method of dewatering from given excavation pit with justification. So what we will learn today? The contents of presentation are dewatering and methods of dewatering. Let us see the concept map for this topic. After the excavation of trenches for foundation and timbering process, the problem of water accumulation in trenches occur. Dewatering can be carried out by well point system and deep well system. So what is dewatering? Dewatering and construction dewatering are the terms used to describe the action of removing groundwater or surface water from the construction site. Dewatering is generally carried out by following methods. There are two methods, deep well system and well point system. Let us see the first method of dewatering, that is deep well system. When the depth of excavation is more than 16 meter, deep well drainage system may be used. A deep well system consists of an array of bore well pumped by submersible pumps. Pumping from each well lower the groundwater level and create a cone of depression or drawdown around itself. In this image, we can see a cone of depression of groundwater level below the foundation trench. Several wells acting in combination can lower the groundwater level over a wide area within an excavation. The second method of dewatering is well point system. A typical well point system consists of a series of small diameter well known as well points connected via header pipe to the suction side of a suitable well point pump. Well points are typically installed in line or rings around the excavation. The pump creates a vacuum in the header pipe, draw water up out of the ground. The well point dewatering is widely used for excavation of shallow depth, especially for pipeline trench excavation. So students, what we have learned today? Concept of dewatering and its necessity and methods of dewatering. Thank you.